Ndewo, welcome back. In today's class, we'll be talking about the things that we wear on our body. Igbo names of the things that we wear on our body, either as a man or as a woman. Earring, ọla ntị. Earring, ọla ntị. Nose ring, ọla imi. Nose ring, ọla imi. Watch, ọla elekere, ọla elekere. Bangle or bracelet, ọla aka, ọla aka. Clothes, akwa, or you call it uwe, but the Igbo is uwe, or the general name is called akwa. Akwa. Sandal or shoe, akpụụkwụ. Sandal or shoe is called akpụụkwụ. Belt, the male they wear the belt, the female they also wear the belt. Belt. Ngude ukwu, because it's always holding the trouser or your skirt on your waist. That is why we call it ngude ukwu. What do we call night wears? We have what we call it in Igbo language. Akwa ụra, because it's what we wear to the bed or to go to sleep. So ụra is sleep. Then the aqua is clothes. So the clothes that we wear to bed or to sleep. That is why we call it akwa. Underwears. What do we call underwears? Bante or bante, either tights, pants, or bante. What do we call bra in Igbo language? Bra. Uwe ara. Thank you for staying tuned. See you in my next videos. Kodi, Dalu, Dewo.